Hello traders, my dear traders, how is everyone doing? My dear traders, I hope you must be doing very well, and you must be enjoying your lives. You must be enjoying trading as well. Let's have a look at these pairs: euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar CAD and gold. These pairs I am going to discuss today. Again, this is the daily forex forecast, August 8 2025, and right now I'm looking at this euro US dollar chart. It is a very fantastic chart in my opinion, a very fantastic chart, a very clean chart, because I will be showing you the pound dollar, dollar CAD and the gold. Those charts are no doubt nicely structured, played, but full of fakes. If we compare the euro US dollar with it, I think euro US dollar wins right here. The charts, the setups and the structure is purely clean. First of all, let me know that how many of you took this particular trade. So 90 pips, 91 pips. Congratulations to everyone. If you are still holding, I'm not sure why you are holding, but 90 pips of a profit, that is more than enough. Congratulations. How many of you are holding? Close it and book this much profit. So I was talking about this particular structure right here. Well, I think this structure is very nice, clean, so it drew my attention in it. I was just looking at the gold US dollar and I said, wow, this euro dollar is performing very nicely. So this is my point of interest for the upcoming few months, a preference over the gold US dollar. But it doesn't mean that I'm will not be uploading the gold US dollar. But anyways, let's in these daily forex forecast videos, these four pairs I am mostly targeting because the structures are played very nicely on these one. So euro US dollar, let's have a look at it. Well, yesterday what I said, there was on the pound US dollar we have got a very nice ABCD pattern yesterday, but euro US dollar this week we did not get a sort of ABCD pattern, but I should say we have got this pattern right here. You know, right here it was not valid. Who knows from where these bulls came in and they took over the market. From there obviously we have structure to this side of the market, and then we have some more structure formed, and obviously from there they tried the market makers or whatever, market dropped to this particular support level. Story clear, and on this particular support level there was no exact divergence, so this particular trade opportunity I couldn't took because there was obviously no ABCD pattern, and I mostly like to trade the ABCD pattern. So yesterday on the H4 time frame in my video, what I said, and I am sure enough you will be watching that video as well. Don't ignore my videos because every video is a chain, a continuation of the other one, and this is how you understand the market structure. On the H4, a very nice and fantastic drop we have seen from the resistance as per the expectation. And now where is the support? It is very much simple for tomorrow, but the thing is we don't have any sort of news for tomorrow, not for the dollar, not for the euro US dollar. So I think 1.17 was also my weekly level, and this previous weekly forex forecast I have discussed it yesterday as well. So after this, what the market is going to do, obviously the market is going to come back down and take a retest of 1.15855. This is a broken level. This will be a retest. Right here will be our Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So let's see what the market gives us right here. A very fantastic market this was, and obviously from here I can expect market to go back up to 1.1705, make a double top up there, and then I can short it again. So tomorrow obviously is Friday as well, and on Friday what can happen? Obviously this plan, either more bulls will join from right here and will take the price back up to 1.17051. But since there is no fundamental activity tomorrow, so this will be then the situation right here on the euro dollar. The full wave will be telling us this 1.1777. Similarly, if a break below occurs, because tomorrow it is also Friday, so on Friday the markets do collapse because this week it is purchased from here, and if the bulls or the market makers decide that we are going to close the week with a pin bar, then obviously this market will break this tomorrow and it will come back down to 1.1527 and this whole story will be reset for the next week. So this is the euro US dollar and this is the trade opportunity for tomorrow. Lucky ones will get it, those who understand the patterns, the structures, and those who know what is forex trading. Move on to the dollar CAD. On the dollar CAD, yesterday what I said, obviously it do reach to my level, but this level was from yesterday, so I have to redraw my Fibonacci, and if I show you, we have got a very fantastic reversal from the said level that I discussed yesterday with all of you, and this reversal was almost for 25 pips, and let's see if we get further drop or not, because in the case of a drop, this market is going to push down to this particular level. I discussed it in much detail yesterday, so you can check out my yesterday's video and you will have a very clear direction about the market. So dollar CAD obviously is also performing very nicely, but if I show you this particular chart pattern, even on the H4 time frame right here, if we see these candles, like, you know, the structure is not that much pure to us, because if we see right here, we can easily see this level as well, and that is what make it more technical. So now obviously it has to either continue back down to 1.36880, or we will get on the H1 a breakout of this particular level, breakout of it, then a retest, and then it will continue back to 1.38591. Anyways, this is market, it can do anything, but this is what I see for now. From here, you can check out the yesterday's video, link I have given in the iCard above. On the RSI situation, we cannot ignore this, and the H4 has still plenty of RSI room. So let's see how this whole story then winds up, whether we get sell from up there or a sell from down there. It depends, or even we don't get anything at all and we are stopped out, and then we look for breakout, retest, and then a continuation. So if I talk it, this is like overthinking if I go further in detail. The ABCD pattern we have got on the pound US dollar, check out the yesterday's video, and that obviously got completed yesterday. Right here I have shown you clearly, and when the ABCD pattern completes, what happens right after that is what it did right after the completion of this, the market either has to come back down or either it has to give us a breakout. In this situation, just like yesterday I discussed, it gave us a breakout, retest, and the lucky ones got the trade opportunities toward 1.3366. So right here, then most of the traders say pound dollar and euro dollar are correlated. Well, they are correlated in the long term, but in the shorter term sometimes they may not correlate with each other, and that was the situation right here. We have seen a break above today and the market go and hit the target up there. Now what's next? Obviously this market right now, it is standing right here, and if I want to further find out that if there is anything any hopes with us to the bullish side of the market, well, there is no good hope for the sellers at this particular moment on the pound dollar, and well, this candle obviously is not enough for deciding a sell, but obviously this level is a sell. Who knows, it can go into a range right here as well, so it can become a range as well. It can give us a breakout, retest, and straight up to 1.3571, somewhere closer to that range. So for now, in this pound dollar, there is no good ABCD pattern further found. Yeah, there is one tiny on the 15-minute time frame I want to show you, and that 15-minute time frame, I'm not sure if it is going to work or not, because it is way formed too up on the resistance zone. But let's see, tomorrow I will be looking at it if it is completed or not. This is what it shows. So let's see tomorrow that what it gives us. Anyways, these bulls, it is not tradable from here, because it was tradable from here. They have moved their stop loss and 40 pips. Again, we have a big divergence as well on the 15-minute time frame right here, and a double top, but that double top seems to be not working. So there is on the 15-minute this little trend I see. Let's see, for a direction wise, I think one can get a very good idea from it. So euro dollar is done, pound dollar is done, dollar CAD is done. What is left? Gold US dollar. Gold US dollar, my friend, it did one thing. Let's have a look at this particular chart. Finally, first of all, I want to congratulate everyone who took this ABCD trade and who made profit. See, even last night everyone was saying it is dropping, but what I said is that market has to complete this particular ABCD pattern right here. If I draw, you can easily understand it. Let me go to the H1 so you can further easily understand what's going on. See, we have got this, and then we have got a correction back, and then we have got this particular ABCD pattern. Then similarly there was another one, and this one was this one looked as this, and this also completed as this. So I think pretty much bulls took their positions. All of the ABCD patterns were complete. There was one this pattern as well, tiny patterns, every pattern formed to the bullish side of the market. Okay, and this is not a joke. ABCD pattern is a very professional trading strategy. Anyone wants to learn this particular strategy from me can contact me on the WhatsApp number. So this is what it is showing me at this, and obviously then there was another ABCD pattern. You just practice it, and then you see how much good trade opportunities you get out of it. And now further, if we see, this is showing us this 3408 overall gold US dollar on the intraday levels traded very nicely to the bullish side of the market. Now I want to delete all of these lines so I can predict and I can make a forecast for tomorrow. Overall played very nicely. Now remember everyone, on gold US dollar, whenever it moves in candlestick patterns, and different patterns it follow. So right here I have discussed these two candles, both formed at the same time of the market, and they are holding the market. Even yesterday I have said that don't sell it blindly, because we need a pattern. So what the market gives us on the H4 time frame is now officially on the H4. This level is broken and retest 3340. So for now this is going to be a super important level for me. I will be looking at it, I will be observing it. And to the top side of the market, yes, I think this market is now fully in a preparation to go to 33-35 approximately, or maybe at least this zone right here. And even just like I discussed, there are daily bulls behind these moves. Okay, there are daily bulls behind these moves. If you see on a daily time frame, we have this market on this particular pattern, if you see right here, and a correction. And since then, this is the correction of what date? Of 27th November 2025 correction. And before that we have got a correction on 29th May. So overall, and this one is on the 30th June. So let's see if gold give us as per this plan. As far as it is trading above, it will be approaching even 3430. Even there is some speculation, and there is something going on that 3570 or 3580 is also target, but we will know that near 3439, right? Because on the H4 this pattern is like crazy going up, and this level, there is one other level, this is not exactly broken. This candle is yet open, so it will mean a lot as well. If it bounces off from here, then this trend line, and obviously a break below the trend line, the sell for now, I think 3430 it is going, and 3423 it is going. So Again, the H1 time frame wins right here during this week, gave fantastic profits to all of us. The candlestick pattern and the bullish momentum is very strong to the buy side of the market, but sometimes in these patterns do fail, so one should also take complete precautions. RSI is also going above 80. It is currently trading at 84.15. So yes, let's see what we get out of these pairs. We have an unemployment data as well that came bad for the dollar, so this is one reason these pairs are going up, right? And euro US dollar, if this is missed from right here, just consider it missed. Who knows, we can get a double top up there, or maybe up there at 1.17620. Thank you so much again. If you guys think this video can bring some positive change in your trading, please do let me know. I'm going to add more structure analysis for you. More structure information and educational videos are going to be uploaded very soon. Take a lot of care of yourself, and goodbye.